The Temple University Police Department is making some safety adjustments in the wake of Sergeant Christopher Fitzgerald's death. As gun violence and crime remain prevalent near campus, Temple University officers have returned to work, now in two partner capacities. Officer Linetti says that doubling up on patrols is beneficial to the team in terms of comfort and safety.
There's multiple different times where a single officer, you have to wait for your backup to get there and something could potentially get out of control. And just in patrolling itself, you're able to see more because you have another set of eyes in the car. He's looking left, I'm looking right,
Beyond Temple Police, the Philadelphia Police Department deploys single officer vehicles, in addition to other patrol wagons and their tactical units. Temple Vice President of Public Safety Jennifer Griffin says that this is a common practice nationwide, and Temple Police is making these changes based on patrol coverage, the response time for officers, and other deployment strategies.